Oh, look at your hair now. So, do you know why it rains? Because when the temperature is very hot and very high, so you see the steam will go up to the sky and it forms into the droplet. So you see the rain? The rain falls from the droplets. And it will make you
Not hot anymore.
yeah.
Not hot.
Yes, it's not hot anymore.
Cool.
Do you know why today you don't go to school?
I don't know. Because
Because what?
what is something I need?
Do you know why today you don't go to school?
Because I'm sick. You take the one. You take that one.
But I'm scared that you can fall off. Okay. So maybe look at over there. So you can imagine some clouds will form like the animal.
Huh?
Here, look at the cloud. Some clouds look like the animal, like the horse, like the dog.
Like fish.
I don't know. What do you think about?
Wow, I see a fish.
Really? Do you like the rain or you like the sunny weather?
I like a winter.
Do you know why the plants needs raining?
Mom, I like windy.